Here is how to block someone on Snapchat. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your device. Then after log into your specific account and go to the search icon in the top left corner of your screen and search for the person that you want to block. Go to their profile and select the three dots in the top right corner and then select block, which is highlighted in red color. Go ahead and select it and now select block again to confirm. Remember that by blocking this user, Snapchat will prevent them from viewing your stories, sending you snaps or chats, adding you as a friend, and searching for you on Snapchat. And the other user will not be notified of this action. Then select block if you want to confirm, and the person will be blocked. Now, if you want to go ahead and unblock this person, select your profile picture in the top left corner. Then select the gear icon in the top right. Go to the section of privacy controls and select blocked users. Then select the cross icon beside their name. Select yes to confirm to unblock them and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.